Building a great nation is a collective effort of all citizens, but a few stand out for their commitment, vision, and profound impact. We begin the inaugural Bhavya Bharat Bhushan Award ceremony by requesting Sri Rajnath Singh and Sadhguru to please present the awards now. Dr. N. Rajam. Dr. N. Rajam's journey as a violinist stands as a shining chapter in Bharat's classical music history. Her music has touched the hearts of millions of people, and her pioneering contributions, recognized with the Padma Vibhushan, have created a timeless legacy that continues to inspire listeners and disciples alike. Thank you, Dr. Rajam. A warm round of applause for Dr. Rajam. Srimati Alarmel Valli.
Most accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer.
And among Bharat's most revered classical dancers, Srimati Alarmel Valli has devoted decades to elevating this ancient art through her distinctive style, depth of expression, and impeccable technique. A Padma Bhushan awardee and recipient of the Chevalier of Arts and Letters Award from France, her profound understanding of Bharatnatyam and lifelong dedication have made her a true ambassador of Bharat's classical dance heritage, inspiring generations of dancers. Dr. Nambi Narayanan. Bharat's journey to becoming a space superpower owes much to one visionary, Dr. Nambi Narayanan. His pioneering work in liquid propulsion led to the development of the Vikas engine, the backbone of the PSLV and GSLV rockets, for which he was honored with the Padma Bhushan. This breakthrough strengthened the nation's self-reliance in space launch capabilities and placed Bharat on the global map of space technology. Round of applause for Dr. Nambi Narayanan. A.S. Kiran Kumar. A.S. Kiran Kumar's leadership marked a golden chapter in Bharat's space exploration history. A Padma Shri awardee, he strengthened every pillar of Bharat's space capability, spanning Earth observation, interplanetary missions, village connectivity, and technological self-reliance. Under his guidance, various innovations have transformed Bharat's space technology into a powerful instrument for inclusive growth and national development. Warm round of applause for A.S. Kiran Kumar. Dr. Vikram Sampath is an acclaimed historian and author. Dr. Vikram Sampath is an acclaimed historian and author whose work has shed new light on many forgotten chapters of Bharat's history. Over the last decade, he has emerged as a leading voice, bringing fresh understanding to the nation's cultural and political evolution, and as one of Bharat's most versatile contemporary historians. Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal's rise in badminton marked a transformative moment in Bharat's sporting history. Her grit and determination rewrote what young athletes believed was possible. Her trailblazing achievements, honored with the Padma Bhushan, inspired millions, ignited the nation's sporting spirit, and established India as a formidable force on the world badminton stage. Round of applause for Saina Nehwal. Ladies and gentlemen, as Sadhguru has said, it is upon the foundation of service and sacrifice of our brave soldiers that all our activities and achievements rest. Operation Sindoor showcased the readiness and resolve of India's armed forces as they stood guard over the nation's security with precision and courage. The united efforts of the armed forces reflected relentless commitment and selfless service, upholding the highest ideals of honor in protecting the nation. It is our privilege to now invite Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra, SYSM, AVSM, VSM, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Air Command, to receive the Bharat Award. Thank you, Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra. Vice Admiral Rahul Vilas Gokhale, YSM, NM, Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command. Thank you, Vice Admiral Rahul Vilas Gokhale. On behalf of the Indian Army, we have Lieutenant General Aditya Vikram Singh Rathi, General Officer Commanding 12 Corps or the Konark Corps, to receive the award. Thank you, Lieutenant General AVS Rathi. Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished awardees will now gather for a commemorative photo. And as they do so, let us celebrate them with a big round of applause. Let us also offer our gratitude to Shri Rajnath Singh for presenting the awards and honoring the remarkable achievements of our award winners. Thank you to our award winners and to Shri Rajnath Singh for giving away the first Bharat Bhavya Awards.